With no oil and no traditional lubrication system required, the KARNO Power Module significantly extends service intervals, increasing uptime, reducing maintenance costs, and eliminating oil and filter changes for good. IC engines require frequent maintenance intervals related to ensuring proper function of the oil lubrication system. Oil lubrication deteriorates over time due to many reasons, which include component wear, thermal breakdown, and contamination from the combustion process. With hundreds of moving parts that rely on the oil system for lubrication, oil maintenance is crucial for the longevity of an IC engine. At the heart of the KARNO Power Module is a single moving part supported by gas bearings. Instead of riding on a thin film of oil, the shaft is supported by a thin film of gas that is hermetically sealed. The gas exerts less drag on the moving surfaces when compared to oil, and with no combustion process inside the cylinder, contamination is eliminated. As a result, the design eliminates friction, enhances reliability, and sets a new standard for long life performance.